All right, boys and girls, welcome to Gorgon Guitar. Hope you're well, everybody. Are you ready for Leon Bridges? All right, let's take a look at this song called When a Man Cries. So a nice song, very straightforward when it comes to guitar and playing. And we had Leon here pretty recently and frequently in the last couple of days. We had songs like Ain't Got Nothing on You. Ain't Got Nothing You. Yeah, that's the song. And now we're gonna focus on When a Man Cries. So let's take a look at this one with the capo set on the 3rd fret. And with that we have a couple of chords, I believe 6 different chords. So let's go into it, starting with the E7, all right? So that's open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, 3rd B, and open E. This 3rd B down here, very important, okay? So that's the E7. Then we have the A-E chord. That is basically an A, but we're gonna incorporate the open E string as well. So it goes open E, open A, and then 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So use all strings now on this E-A chord. And then we have the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have a standard E chord. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, open E. And then we have D, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have the C. And that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so 6 chords, E7, the A, E chord, the A minor, the standard E, D, and C. All right, so we have a strumming pattern now that will be covering 2 chords. So it's part 1 for 1 chord and then part 2 for the 2nd chord. So we're gonna look at the transition now from the E7 to the AE chord. That's the first 2 chords. So we're gonna play like this for part 1, the E7. Okay, so it's first 2 downs. And then comes up, down, down. That's it. So down, down, up, down, down. Okay, that's the first part. And then you shift to next chord, in this case the AE chord. And you're gonna play up, down, down. And the same way as you play the E7, now you're gonna play it for 2 times in a row. So up, down, down, up, down, down. Like this. And that's it. So if you combine these 2 chords and the strumming patterns, E7 to AE, it goes like this. And then apply the same principle for the next 2 chords, and that will finish the chord progression here to start with. And that will be the A minor to play that part 1 in the same way as you play the E7. Down, down, up, down, down. And then you go to E and play that one in the same way as you played the AE chord, part 2. Up, down, down for 2 times. So A minor to E will be like this. And that is the first chord progression. And you're gonna play that from the beginning till 2 minutes and 17 seconds into the song, all right? So a couple of rounds goes like this. All right, so numerous of rounds, 2 minutes and 17 seconds, and that's the end of this chord progression. Now you're gonna shift to another one. You're gonna apply the same strumming here, just different chords. Now you're gonna play D, part 1, and then the AE, part 2. And then you're going to go to C and play part 1 and the E part 2, like this. Another round. So D, A, C, E. And that is what you're gonna play from 2:17 till the very end of this song. That covers Leon Bridges' When a Man Cries. All right, so I will be devastated. I will cry if you don't support me here on Go On Guitar. No, not actually, but I'm just asking you to do that. It gives me motivation to go on, so please feel free to click that like button or subscribe to this channel, even better. Hope you see you soon, guys. Until next time, play tuned.